All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is the Pixel 4a 5G, and this is my new case. Now I jumped on Amazon when I bought this phone, and I just typed in heavy duty case. This is a case that it says Rugged Shield on the back of it for all of them, but they're all labeled differently by different company. It depends on who's selling it. So if you type in Rugged Shield for whatever phone, you might be able to find this case. But normally I just type in heavy duty case and I'll find it for the device. And I got this again on Amazon. You can find this on eBay. This is probably one of the best cases that you could possibly buy if you don't want to buy, say, an expensive OtterBox or just anything that's over 10 bucks. This is one of your best options. It seems kind of thin when it's not on the phone, but it's actually a pretty thick case. But it doesn't make the phone feel too bulky, and I think that's the most important part. You've probably seen me promote this case and buy this case for as many phones that I can find it for, and actually have it for the Pixel 5 too. And I'll show you a video on that at one point. But this is the case. You'll always see Rugged Shield on this case, and they all look the same. They come in blue, black, gray, green. I haven't seen a red one yet, but this is like the ultimate case for me. I think I've tried to purchase this for every phone that I have. And I've been using it. There's not really an unboxing. I just showed you the case it comes in because it's sold by so many different people. You should be able to find this for under $10 everywhere. Here it is, man. So I wanted to show it to you. Power button right here is ridged. Volume rocker is ridged on this case. And then on this side, obviously nothing. You got your headphone jack open and your microphone jack open up there and all your ports here. Again, the case is nice. It has like this soft touch plastic in the center. It's not like that velvety feel, but it's just soft. And you have obviously the logo down there. And then, you got the case. So you've got the shiny black in here, and you have it around the camera to match. But again, when I got this, I just started using it. It goes on easy. You do have lip protection. There's a hint of lip protection around the edge. I'm not using a tempered glass on here. I don't think I will. At this point, I'm not planning on buying a tempered glass because this case is such a nice case and it really will protect your device. But there it is. You can see all the ports and everything lining up. You can see the camera hole right there. Now it's deeply recessed. The fingerprint reader works good because it has that sloping design. So then when you put it in there, you can see your finger is going to rest in there pretty well. And then the volume rocker is nice and clicky. It's on point, man. This is just, to me, and again, for those that have been following me on my channel over the years, you'll see that I buy this case a lot. It's, like I said before, as much as I could buy for any phone that's available. So wanted to show you how I'm going to be keeping my Pixel 4a 5G protected and in pristine condition. Currently, they have it for both the 4A and the 5, just so you know. I just didn't buy it for this one because I really like this case too. And I've just been using it on this 4A. And then the 5, I had the Google case, but I do have it, the same case. And I'm going to be, I just placed an order as a recording of this video. I just placed an order this morning because for some reason I couldn't find it for the 5. And then after I bought this one and this one came, I said, let me look again. And sure enough, I found it. And I found it for like on sale for 40% off on Amazon. So and that's where I bought this from. You can get it from Amazon or eBay or just anywhere, but you can't miss the look of this case. It's original. So yeah, I paid $5 for this one, I believe. I got it for 50% off or something like that, and I paid 40% off for the other one. So they were both $5 a piece. So there it is, my favorite case finally for my Pixel 4a 5G. Phone is great, by the way. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.